This one where you and your wife carry bags like the people of Israelites will cross Red Sea. I hope say trouble no day.
Uncle, I know they like the way they ask questions sometimes. Eh? Which one be crossing the Red Sea again? Ha! Uncle is supposed to tell us welcome, give us water to drink, and all that. Not all these questions the way they ask now.
Because Uncle, don't be offended. Does it mean I can no longer come back to my father's house, whether it is Christmas period, Easter period, or anyhow? Okay, fine. In the past, I used to come back seasonal period, but now I have changed. I can easily visit my father's house any day, anytime, and in fact, any period. You got to go?
Yes.
In fact, let me tell you, what God has done for me this time around is more than Red Sea. In fact, God has opened the blue sea for me.
For us.
This one where I no I get any food and no cook and no food for house make on a job.
Uncle, don't worry. My sweetheart will take care of that.
Yeah? Remove that your stupid yellow hand from my body. Who is your sweetheart that will take care of what? OPK. I saw your child from one. As cook. Somebody who serves in a 5-star hotel that will take care of the food. But if this is what you came back to do in this village, what is your problem?
You make it.
It could be a
I
will do it.
Try it. It could be a yambribon. No go that side though. No, just try them. It could be a yambribon. No, could be. If I not bury you, no say no be me. You don't forget. No try me. This can't talk with that one. No, try that nonsense with me again. No.
Yeah, is that how you people quarrel over there?
Yes, sir.
Now, so two of them that they live for that society, they quarrel up and down.
Uncle Mopanya, are you the one speaking, or did something just fell off your mouth? You talk as if you don't know again. Whatsoever or whatever or in whichever that both of us are quarreling today, we learned from you. You taught us. In fact, we went to your laptop. Copy data go to boy wine. Also, have you forgotten so soon? The way you used to quarrel with your wife, every dog on me. You also forgot what lay her to the grave. Is it because you covered it up? Uncle, you know what I'm saying? So don't go there. Don't go there.
Uncle Biko, let them pass. They were no go wake up. You don't forget the way we tell they hold you. You got to shake your head. They vibrate. They jump up and down.
Kelly.
Ane jiggy.
Ane Kelly.
Ine jiggy. Ine echo. Isi anebo. Uncle Abego.
For where woman do?
No
be saying that your fellow man.
No go that side because.
Kuzi lie off ma. Can kai who say born mark again na kocha mo don pia kanti 1 minute. Don't crash bag my brother. You bag it somewhere.
Uncle Biko. Hey, akpakona man am because. Sweetheart. My love. Obi. What about the food?
Begin.
Food. I'm hungry.
if the boy the food froko go take football na 6 feet. Come on, check out how can sister. Are you stupid? Are you stupid? So you can actually call me Obi. You can actually romance me. In a room. You are nothing but a fool. A fool at your age will remain a fool forever. Don't you ever try that nonsense again. If you do it, I will deal with you mercilessly. Nonsense.
Deal with me.
You can actually read the Amaka.
Yes, now.
Because you have seen level has changed.
Yes, now.
Money
Money changes everything. Hey, go ni uko. Sweetheart. Hello. Sweetheart.
Amaka.
Sweetheart.
Because Ellen then won Igbo won camera by the
Ufagu, I don't still understand this kind bag where you and your wife come for this village so sudden. Carry bags, come back for village, come follow me stay.
Uncle, like I said before, I don't have time for much talk. I had an encounter. Yes. And the only option is to come back home. So please.
Encounter? Which kind of encounter be that? Is it encounter with Christ or encounter with the problem? Which one?
Both of them. I encountered Christ and at the same time I encountered problem. In fact, I encountered Obagara. I encountered encounter. And the problem is there, the Christ encountering is there. So the two of them join hands together to work for good, for me. So please.
Since you don't get encounter with Christ, it go good make you enter church, go there work as pastor or as evangelist. I go even pay for your pastoral school, make you go there.
Uncle Biko, with due respect, I told you before I don't have time for much talk. I am thinking of what to do with my life. I want to be reasonable. Now that God has remembered me, in fact, let me just break the coconut for you. I got money. Plenty money at that. So I am thinking of how to invest that money. I am thinking of how to use that money so that it will be useful, it will be beneficial, it will be... yeah.
Shut up your mouth, Ofaku. Close that your mouth. I have money. What do you know about money?
Yes, sir?
Did you know money? Here we go.
So, I don't know about money. It is you that knows something about money. And you know what it is. I'm out of here. Of what? Of what, sir?
This one wey you sit down here like this. Wetin happen? Anyways, I've been meaning to ask you, what are your plans towards our money?
See your mouth. Our money.
Our money?
What are your plans towards our money? I was more kedeti. Because you got plan our lost prayer.
Is our money. Like it or not.
Anyway, I've been thinking too. Yes. I've been thinking of what to use the money for. Because I want to invest that money in such a way that it will yield increase, make profits, train the money so all the ego. First, I thought of going into importations, importing goods from abroad, either China, from Yugoslavia, from even West Virginia, name them. But on a second thought, assuming I went to Obodo Igbo, I imported the goods, 18 years na high sea, na ship. Onye cabinet member, conde driver. Along the line, sheep or shark, all these big stockfish inside river, stubborn fish, or even anybody from this village can turn to fish, enter that place. Shia musu, kalagani mide, meishote, gudu bobu my goose. The ship will sink or somersault. My goose will go in vain. I say, oh, we regret to announce to you that your goose sank inside water or sink inside water. In fact, I will just die. I said, no, I cannot do such mistake. I also thought of maybe buying a big land, build hospital, build mortuary, and then also build cemetery. When you go boya, you go treat. Doctor will say it's untreatable. One thing lead to another. Oh, madam, taking it home would be risky. Incumbent the person inside our mortuary. I now here go treatment. And now they go preserving the dead body. They will also collect money for burial ground in case they want to bury in our own custody.
Oh, Chimo.
You know? But along the line, I said, no. What if I buy the land, build the house, build the mortuary, build the hospital, and Olu with her voice will come from above. I don't know more to Olu. God will ban dead. Or after building, one thing, I say, Ofaku is dead. That was a muddy Guchalili day on. No. I said, no, that one is not a good idea. I even thought of getting a visa for us to travel abroad to America. But you know, these agents, they can be so funny at times. They might collect money for going to America from you. Many give visa Togo. You will line up in American people. One thing you hear, the pilot will announce, departure, aircraft going to Togo. I shall have a line in America, but about time with Igbo Agaja America. I went to one in Togo. Sad one. There's nothing I didn't think. I even remember this morning, what if I go into business, open a shop, carry goods to Fulham, buy warehouse? But my mind tell me, say, what if shop catch fire one night before we go wake up? All those things we labored for, we just go. No. I said the best thing I should do or I must do with that money is to deposit that money in the bank. Yes, I go dey collect interest every month. Collateral go dey come to me. The money is secured, safe, and protected inside bank. That is what I decided to do. Yes.
Huh? Oh, God. Eh? God. Why? Why? He go better. You see that madman with that market? That madman. If for better, if say na that man where I marry. Eh? If for better for me. Negodogi. Empty head. Okpokolisi. Nebuhari okpokolisi everywhere. Oh, what the hell on him here? You see that dirty way you dey pack? The smell don't enter your brain. Block am. You know they think well at all. Bro okpokolisi agari everywhere.
I will not blame you.
Big head.
Cha Kwari, I can't blame you for anything. The reason I will not blame you is because the first day I stepped in my foot in your father's compound, I saw a group of madmen. Line here up. They want to collect a bride price. Ndara. Your father sat there. Where they go. Even when he was still young, senior Paroja can't bati.
You still married me. Eh? You still married me.
So for one, I'm not gonna more than we can. I'm gonna make a dinner.
I'm just not managing you. I'm just managing you. I'm just managing you. What can happen? If not,
bank manager. You supposed to happy self say at this time where I don't get money. You could see Ruby. She could give me Sean. If not, get pass me where Makaskum white to have put the hang up.
I look like person where they fear. Bring and come now. Eh? Now them go still wrong. I know they fear anybody. You know me now.
Now before women they run. This time they go hard to hash on. They still there. They go there.
Don't worry. Carry them come. I dey here the wait. Yoda. I dey here the wait. Anyway, that one for back. If you ask me, I will tell you say it go better. Make you use that money, build house. Yes, build house, put tenants. They go dey bring money. Every month, this one go pay, this one go pay, this one go pay. Money go dey enter, you go dey eat well. Eh? Then you go be landlord. Have you no one become landlord? And me, whoa, landlady. Landlady. Hey, landlady fits me now. Eh? Then I go dey shine, landlady. You think I think I got to top man.
All right, thank you very much. This is Chief Imo and his crew. We beg all of you to keep subscribing to our channel, Chief Imo Comedy on YouTube. As you do that, God will bless you. God will bless you. Hip, hip, hip. Hooray!